Dear students, hope you all are doing fine. Let's get started with our chapter Boolean algebra. We have been discussing this chapter and today's topic is, along with the Boolean theorems, you will be learning few more theorems today, and welcome back to the chapter of Boolean algebra, and today's session is part number 14. So as you know, this is chapter number 2 and today's topic part number 14. So let's quickly have a recap of the weightage of this particular chapter. You can just have a look, 13 marks, how exactly that has been divided for our annual exam. So last class we studied about the absorption laws, associative laws and distributive laws. So previous class we discussed one absorption associative law. I proved it for you, and I hope the second one you will prove by yourself. I have given you enough information how exactly you can prove. So similarly we have distribution laws, that also we discussed in the previous class, and we started with the absorption laws. So we will be continuing the absorption laws today. The first absorption law says that x plus xy is equal to x, and the second absorption law says that if x is ANDed with x plus y, that is also equal to x. So let's prove this using the perfect induction method. So let's prove this by applying the x variable with the required 0 and 1, or we will just apply some of the Boolean theorems which we have learned in our previous classes to obtain the proof. So you can see here, first we are proving by using the perfect induction method. X plus xy is equal to x. Let us take the LHS, that is x plus xy. So here the common factor here is x. By factoring we can remove x. x na ಹೊರಗಡೆ remove ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ in the first statement x ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, in the second statement x will go out, so y will remain. So now by factoring, once we remove the common factor, that is x, so we get 1 plus y. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ, x ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಯಿತು, so we are writing 1 in xy. X has been, we have taken out by factoring method, we have taken as the common factor x, so y is remaining. So now 1 plus y is equal to, there is a theorem which says that 1 plus x is equal to 1. Similarly 1 plus y is equal to 1. So this will be, because here there is 1 plus y. So 1 plus y is equal to 1, therefore we are substituting 1 here. Now x ANDed with 1 is x, therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Like this we are proving the first absorption law. So kindly go through again. X plus xy is equal to x. So here x plus xy, by using factoring method, we are, as x is common in both the expressions, we are removing x outside the expression. So when we remove x outside the expression, so here x will go out, here also x will go out. When x goes out, 1 remains. When x goes out, y remains. 1 plus y is equal to 1. There is a Boolean theorem, 1 plus x is equal to 1. Similarly, 1 plus y is equal to 1. So, here x ANDed with 1 is equal to x. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. The absorption law has been proved with the perfect induction method. Next, let us prove this using the truth table method. So, as we see here, there are two variables x and y. X, y. So, when we AND 0 and 0 is 0, 0 and 1 is 0, 1 and 0 is again 0, 1 and 1 is 1. So, x ANDed with y is 0, 0, 1. Now, x plus xy, we have x here and then also we have xy. So, we need to x plus xy. So, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. So, now we can compare x plus xy column with x. So, where we have 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So, both columns are identical. Hence, x plus xy and x column is identical. Hence, we can prove, hence we have proved that x plus xy is equal to x. Let us prove the next Boolean theorem, that is x ANDed with xy is equal to x. So, here as there are x and y, so first take x plus y. So, x plus y is 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 1. Now, we have got x plus y. Let us AND this with x. 0 and 0, 0, 0 ANDed with 1 is again 0, 1 and 1 is 1, 1 and 1 is 1. So, we can see here the column x ANDed with xy is identical to x. So, we have proved x ANDed with x plus y is equal to x. So, let us have a look of the perfect induction proof method, or we can say that the algebraic method, where we are proving the second absorption law, which says that if a variable is ANDed with x plus y, it is same as the variable. So, let us see how we can prove this. So, x into x plus y. So, x into x is x x, x into y is x y. So, we are multiplying x with x plus y, which is x x plus x y. Now, we have a idempotence law, which says that if a variable is ANDed with itself, it is same as the variable. So, if a variable is ANDed with itself, that is x x is x. So, it will be x plus x y. Again, with the common factoring method, we are removing x outside. So, it will be 1x, when it goes outside it will be 1 plus y. So, here instead of x we are putting 1, instead of xy we are putting y, because we have taken x as the common factor. 1 plus y. So, we are proving 1 plus y is equal to, by properties of zeros and 1, 1 plus y is equal to 1. So, 1 plus y is equal to 1, and that is ANDed with x. Anything ANDed with 1 is the same, that is x. Therefore, with this we have proved the next theorem of absorption law. So, kindly go through once. LHS is equal to x ANDed with x plus y. We have multiplied x with x plus y. So, it will be x into x is x plus x into y is xy. So, we have a theorem, idempotence law, which says that x plus x is equal to x and x is equal to x. So, x and x is equal to x. We are applying the idempotence law. Then xy. So, here we have common, we are by factoring we are removing x outside the expression. So, it will be 1 plus y. So, 1 plus y, there is a Boolean theorem which says that 1 plus x is equal to 1. Similarly, 1 plus y is equal to 1. So, then we have one more Boolean theorem, that is x ANDed with 1 is equal to x. We have proved this. So, x ANDed with 1 is equal to x. Therefore, the left hand side, that is LHS is equal to RHS. With this, we have proved the second law of absorption laws. We have some other rules of Boolean algebra which says that I want all of you to write down this and you need to prove this by yourself. That is x plus x complement y is equal to x plus y. So, this is the third distributive law. Kindly write down this: x plus xy x bar y is equal to x plus y. Kindly prove this by using the perfect induction method and the truth table method. Let us quickly have a recap of all the Boolean laws which we have studied, and let us start with the first theorem. 0 plus x is equal to x. 0 ANDed with x is equal to 0. 1 plus x is equal to 1. 1 ANDed with x is equal to x. The idempotence law says that if a variable is ORed with itself, it is same as the variable. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. So, therefore, the other idempotence law says that if a variable is ANDed with itself, it is same as the variable. 0 and 0 is 0, 1 and 1 is 1. Then we have involution law. The involution law says that if a variable is complemented 2 times, it is same as the variable. Then we have complementary laws. The complementary law says that if a variable is ANDed with its complement, it is equal to 1. So, x plus x bar is equal to 1. The other complementary law says that, if a variable is ANDed with its complement, it is equal to 0. X ANDed with x bar is equal to 0. Then we have commutative laws. Commutative law says that x plus y is equal to y plus x. X and y is equal to y and x. Then we have associative law, which you can see on the screen. We have 2 distributive laws. Then we have 3 absorption law. 2 I have proved it for you, and 18th one you will be proving for me and yourself. So, this is the summary of all the Boolean theorems which we have studied till now. And further, for the simplification, you need to remember these theorems. Only if you remember, then only you will be able to apply. So, probably till commutative laws, we will be using most of the theorems many a times till theorem number 11. So, you have to make sure that you sit, write down all the theorems, you prove it using the perfect induction method and the truth table method, and then it can be asked for some 3 marks. So these are the Boolean theorems which we have studied till now. Properties of 0, properties of 1, idempotence law, involution, complementary laws, commutative laws, associative laws, distributive laws, and absorption laws. Hope you have understood this. Let's move on to next 2 important theorems of Boolean algebra, that is De Morgan's theorems. So along with Boolean theorems, there are 2 more important theorems given by De Morgan. So De Morgan, there are only 2 theorems. The first theorem states that if if 2 variables are odd and complemented, it is same as complementing individual variable and adding them. So let me just define the first De Morgan theorem. The first De Morgan theorem says that if 2 variables are ORed, if you perform OR operation on 2 variables, so you can see x plus y, and we complement it, x plus y whole bar, when we complement it, it is same as x bar ANDed with y bar. So for AND there is x bar and y bar. So let's prove the Boolean De Morgan's first theorem. So let's prove De Morgan's theorem 1. Let us prove using the algebraic method or the perfect induction method. Proof. See, in the textbook they have applied many Boolean theorems which we have studied till now to prove this, but I have found a very simple method for you to prove these Boolean theorems, which will be easy for you to follow and understand. So textbook also there is a method which I feel little complicated for you, but if you feel that method is simple and easy, you can follow, no issues. Both methods are same and you will get full marks for both the methods. This is the simplest method which I feel will be easier for you to refer, but still again if you want, you can just go through the textbook. If you find it better, you can follow that also. You need not worry, both carries equal marks. Both methods if you write, you will get full marks. Not to worry about the marks. So let's get started and let's prove the first Boolean theorem, that is x plus y whole bar is equal to x bar ANDed with y bar. So here x and y are the logic variables. X and y are the logic variables, and x and y can be 0 and 1. So let's prove this first by taking x with 0. X plus y whole bar is equal to x bar ANDed with y bar. So instead of x, let's replace 0. Let's substitute x with 0 as we have taken x be 0. Now in the place of x we are substituting 0 plus y is equal to 0 complement ANDed with y complement. So 0 plus y you have a theorem which says that 0 plus x is equal to x. So 0 plus y is equal to y, and there is one bar, so we are writing y bar. 0 complement is 1 ANDed with y bar. So here we will write y bar as it is. 1 ANDed with x is equal to x. There is a properties of 1 says that the second this thing property of 1, it says that if a variable is ANDed with 1, it is same as the variable. So 1 ANDed with y bar is equal to y bar. So here you can see LHS is equal to y bar, RHS is also equal to y bar. So LHS is equal to RHS. Like this we have proved the Boolean theorem number 1 by substituting 0. Now let's substitute x value with 1, as x is a logic variable, x can be 0 or 1. So let's substitute x with 1. 1 plus y whole bar is equal to 1 bar ANDed with y bar. 1 plus y, there is a law of property of 1 which says that 1 plus x is equal to 1. Similarly, 1 plus y is equal to 1. So we will have 1 bar, and then instead of 1 we are replacing with 0. 1 complement is 0. Now 1 complement is 0. 0 ANDed with y bar is equal to 0. As you can observe here, in LHS and RHS we are getting the same answer, that is 0. So hence we have proved the first De Morgan's theorem using perfect induction method. Let me explain again. So we need to prove the first De Morgan's theorem which says that x plus y whole bar is equal to x bar ANDed with y bar. So here in the expression x and y are the logic variables, x can be 0 or 1. Let us take x value as 0 and then let us substitute x with 0 here. So 0 plus x plus y is equal to x bar ANDed with y bar. So 0 plus y whole bar is equal to 0 bar ANDed with y bar. So now 0 plus y is y, and as there is a bar here, the bar is retained. So we will have y bar. Here 0 complement is 1. So 1 ANDed with y bar is equal to y bar. So 1 ANDed with x is equal to x. Therefore 1 ANDed with y bar is equal to y bar. So now you can see left hand side and right hand side we are getting y bar. So y bar is equal to y bar. So let us take x value as 1. Let x be 1. X plus y whole bar is equal to x bar ANDed with y bar. So x plus y, let us replace x with 1. So it will be 1 plus y whole bar is equal to 1 bar ANDed with y bar. So 1 plus y is equal to 1. Okay, 1 complement is 0. 1 plus y is equal to 1, as there is a bar above that, so we retain the bar, so it will be 1 bar. So 1 bar, that is complement of 1 is 0. 0 ANDed with y bar is equal to 0. So as we can see here, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence we have proved the first De Morgan's theorem. Let's move on to the next De Morgan's theorem, theorem number 2. Before that, let us have a look of the truth table. So in the truth table you can see we have A, B. A can be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. And A bar will be 0, 0 will be 1, 1 and 1, 1 will be 0, 0. And B bar will be 0 idra 1 barire 1 idra 0, 0 idra 1, 1 idra 0. A plus B. that is 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 1. First two columns we are adding. Then complement of this 0 idre 1, 1 idre 0, 1 idre 0, 1 idre 0. Then A bar ANDed with B bar, that means this column and this column AND ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 1 and 1 is 1, 1 and 0 is 0, 0 and 1 is 0, 0 and 0 is 0. As you can see here, these two columns are identical. So you can see here A plus B whole bar. So we have this column 1 0 0 and A bar ANDed with B bar, both columns are equal 1 0 0 0. So with this we have proved the first De Morgan's theorem. Let's move on to the next De Morgan's theorem. The next De Morgan's theorem states that if two variables are ANDed and complemented, if two variables are ANDed and complemented, it is same as ORing the individual variable and complementing it. X ANDed x and y whole bar is equal to x bar plus y bar. Let's prove this using the perfect induction method or the algebraic method. So here x and y, that is x and y are the logic variable. So first let x be 0, x ANDed with y, let's replace x with 0, that is 0 and y, and 0 and 0 complement plus y bar. We are replacing x with 0, x with 0, so 0 and y. Now 0 and y is 0 and 0 complement is 1, 0 complement is 1, here 1 plus y bar. So the law of 1, the properties of 1 says that 1 plus x is equal to 1. So 1 plus y bar is equal to 1. As you can see, LHS and RHS we have same value, hence we have proved the second Boolean or second De Morgan's theorem. Let us take the x value as 1, 1 ANDed with y and 1 bar plus y bar. 1 ANDed with y is equal to y bar and 0, 1 complement is 0 plus y bar. 0 plus y bar is equal to y bar. So you can see that LHS is equal to RHS. Like this we have proved the second De Morgan's theorem. So we need to substitute. First we have substituted x value with 0 and then we have substituted x value with 1. So 0 and y is equal to 0 complement plus y complement. So 0 and y is equal to 0 ANDed with y is equal to 0 and 0 complement, we retain the complement there, and 0 complement is 1, 1 plus y bar, 1 plus x is equal to 1, therefore 1 plus y bar is equal to 1. So LHS is equal to RHS. Here we have x as 1 and we are replacing x with 1, 1 ANDed with y is y and 1 complement is 0. So 0 plus y bar is equal to y bar and here we will getting y bar. So LHS is equal to RHS. Same thing we have proved using the truth table. So we are taking AB and A bar B bar. So AB is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, complement of that is 0 0 idre 1 1, 0 1 is, so there is a mistake here, so it is 0 and this will be 1 complement is 0, 0 complement is, So 0 complement is 1, 1 complement is 0, 0 complement is 1 and 1 complement is 0. So there is a mistake here. So now this is 0 and 1, a plus b, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. So here a plus b whole bar, 0 idra 1, 1 idra 0, 1 idra 0, 1 idra 1, 1 idra 0 sorry. And a bar and b bar, 1 ANDed with 1 is 1, 1 ANDed with 0 is 0, 0 ANDed with 1 is 0, 0 ANDed with 0 is again 0. Now you can see here these two columns are identical. So a plus b whole bar and a bar ANDed with b bar, these two are same. Hence, so this has been proved. Let's quickly learn the applications of De Morgan's theorem. The De Morgan's theorem, they are helpful for implementing the basic gates, and they are helpful in replacing the other gates with the basic gates. Maybe you will understand this particular line when we study the next chapter, logic gates. So De Morgan theorem, it is used in simplification of Boolean expressions. Then De Morgan theorems, they are apply for some searches like and or not operations. So here consider a set of documents which contains the words cars or trucks. De Morgan's law hold that these two searches will return the same set of documents. Then we have De Morgan's laws is an example for a mathematical duality. So you have learnt a concept in mathematics, that is mathematical duality, which is very similar to a De Morgan's theorem. Hope you have understood today's topics. Thanks for your patience listening, my dear students. Kindly attend the test. With the test, we get to know that you have watched the video, and test is like one attendance for attending the online class. So thanks for your patience listening. God bless you all.